You're a coffee lover, but did you try street coffee, convenience store coffee, and a coffee with a nice view in Ho Chi Minh City? Let's try it.
GIDT Travel.
Hi guys, I'm Me and welcome back to Gadt Travel. Today we are diving into vibrant coffee culture in Ho Chi Minh City, from shipping coffee on the street or enjoying retro-themed cafe. So I will give you 3 iconic spots that every coffee lover must visit. In this video, I will share with you 3 different coffee experiences. And the first is Café Gadt, the ultimate street-style coffee spot. And then Circle K, yes, the convenience store, but the fresh milk coffee is a hidden gem. And finally, Café Cộng, a retro-themed cafe with a twist of coconut in your coffee. Each place has its own vibe, so I can't wait to share all with you. If you want to feel like a true Saigon person, okay, I will recommend this place for you. First stop, we're heading to Café Gadt, a classic Sideworks spot that's in the heart of District 1.
This place is all about the local experience, tiny classic stools, bustling streets, and the iconic view of the Notre Dame Cathedral Basilica of Saigon. Notre Dame Cathedral is not only a place of worship, but also a cultural and historical symbol of Saigon. Also known as Ho Chi Minh City, it has appeared in many popular Vietnamese movies and songs, such as Go Ba Saigon in 2017.
Our topic at Café Gadt. You need to try Café Sữa, Vietnamese milk coffee. I will try it now. It's made with condensed milk and slow drip coffee. It's so sweet and creamy. The flavor, the flavor is very rich and bold. You can find coffee everywhere in Vietnam, and drinking coffee in the morning is a habit of Vietnamese.
Sitting on a tiny stool, watching the motorbike zoom by, sipping on these iconic drinks, and talking with friends. It doesn't get more Saigon than this. It's simple but actually unforgettable.
And coming there, you need to take some photo with this view. Who know a convenience store can serve up a tasty cup of coffee? Next up, we are making a quick stop at Circle K, a popular convenience store chain in Vietnam. Now, I know what you are thinking. While you are at the convenience store for coffee? Trust me, their Café Sữa Tươi fresh milk coffee is a game changer.
Circle K is anywhere in Saigon. You can use your phone to search for it on Google Maps. Many addresses will appear. Just choose one that's close to you and enjoy it.
It's very convenient for you to wrapping snacks, drinks, and even quick meals. Moreover, you can take home as a souvenir. That is a G7 instant coffee. The menu has many options, but today we're here for coffee. I already ordered a fresh milk coffee. I got it, and now we go upstairs for enjoying it.
Most Circle K stores have a second floor. Wrap your drink and chill with a city view. It's a hidden local habit.
It's made with fresh milk instead of condensed milk, so giving it lighter and creamier taste. It's perfect if you want something less sweet but full of flavor. I know you are a tourist, so waiting for check-in in hotel can be very exhausting. I recommend you come here, buy some food, drink, and wait with free Wi-Fi. And if you are looking for a unique coffee experience with a side of history, Café Cộng is the place to be. This is our final stop.
Café Cộng is a store chain in Vietnam.
Today we are at Hai Ba Trung Street because this address can offer a special thing that the other address of Cộng cannot offer. Go upstairs and I will give you the reason. Ta-da! Opposite the cafe, you can see the view of the pink church.
The church, painted in pastel pink, is one of the oldest and most beautiful in Saigon. This is a famous place that many tourists come to see. I also found many beautiful pictures with this view on Instagram.
It's a race sport to snap some photo before or after your coffee break. And I can't wait anymore, so I will snap some photo first.
The cafe's decor is a trip back in time with vintage poster, old school furniture, and a laid-back vibe. It's the perfect place to relax, catch up with friends, or just enjoy the moment of peace in the big city.
And I ordered cafe that is a coconut coffee.
Is the best seller here. It's a blend of strong Vietnamese coffee and creamy coconut milk, topped with crushed ice.
What do you think how it tastes? When it's mixed with coffee, I think it's really refreshing and very perfect for cold weather.
This is the first time I drink it. In the next time, I will order it again.
Let's recap the types of coffee we tried today.
Café Bed is all about the authentic street-side experience. Circle K offers a quick, modern twist on Vietnamese coffee. Café Cộng brings you a retro vibe with a tropical twist.
Each lane has its own personal, and I love the way they showcase the diversity of Saigon coffee culture. And to me, I like coconut coffee most because of its taste and its Asian space. So you can come to Vietnam, try on, and choose your favorite. Thanks for joining me for this coffee adventure. If you like this video, don't forget to like and comment your favorite types of coffee. And I'm Yi from Gadt Travel. See you in the next time. Bye bye.
GIDT Travel. Your smile, our happiness.